Every access control system promises to make life easier. The good ones actually do. In this series, we'll show you everything you need to know about the SRS DC300. First up,
configuring access control modes on the DC300 keypad. By default, the DC300 keypad allows access using a PIN code, fingerprint, or fob credential. If required, the keypad can be configured to accept only a specific type of credential. Enter administrator mode by pressing the star key and entering the administrator password. Select menu 3 door settings. Select option 2 access mode. Choose the access method you wish to enable. Save the setting and exit the menu. Make sure to test any disabled access methods to ensure that access is no longer granted using those credentials.